Hello, in this video we will explain how to put a new mold and cut the length of the tube accurately. So for this you will need your mold, a BTE hearing aid, a marker and a scissor. So first thing is place the mold in the patient's ear. Now the tube is long and it's deliberately kept like that. Once this is in the ear, you need to place the hearing aid as well. Then you need to mark where the tube meets the hearing aid. Once that's marked, with the help of a scissor, you need to cut that. So we have marked here, so we're going to cut it exactly at that point. So that's the length required for the patient. Then take the hearing aid and then gently but firmly attach the tube. Once that's attached, the hearing aid is ready to be used. Thank you.